Welcome back, friends. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Thanks for joining me and tuning in here to Tiffany Baby TV. I am Tiffany, coming to you with another wig review. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button before we get started. Ring that bell too. That way you can always tune in when I'm slaying and you always get notifications of my new videos when they drop. I have another wig that I'm going to be reviewing for you today. Today we have ANDIS. ANDIS is a sister wig. I have her in the color number 2. She is by Zury and she is absolutely stunning. This wave pattern on this unit is just to die for. You guys, when I saw this, it was on the Mother's Day sale. I knew I had to have it. She was very, very, very affordable. She is very long. She's definitely probably going to hit me around my bootay. So I'm going to take off Kylie. If you're interested in this hair, I did just finish filming a review for her, so make sure that you take a look at that review when you're finished watching this one. I'm going to show you her cap construction. She's a standard cap. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. She has your adjustable straps. She has lace parting. It is very dense. That will require some plucking. We'll see what we can do with just powder in the part though. You guys know the deal. Go ahead, watch me work. All right, you guys, straight out the pack, ANDIS is slaying. She is a right side part. She has a comb right here, and the other comb is up further than I was expecting. It is right here in the middle of your head to support that parting space. That parting space does not look bad. That might not even require any plucking. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of powder in that part to help that out. This is a fairly deep part. It does extend all the way back here to about the middle of my head, which I can appreciate. I would say that this cap is a little bit snug. I didn't adjust the straps at all, but it is fitting my head, which is a medium-sized head is how I would classify it. A little bit snug. I will probably loosen these straps up a little bit before I go out. I'm gonna give this just a quick run through with a comb. I am getting a little bit of shedding. I'm not really getting any tangling, but I will stand up to let you guys see. Here she is from the side. And the other side. I think that this wig has great density without being bulky. So I do think that this is appropriate for summer. It's a lot of hair, but it's not an excessive amount of hair. It feels really nice. It's a light yaki texture. It's not silky at all. I don't really expect this to tangle too badly on me. As you guys can see, all I did was put this on. There was no lace to cut, so I would absolutely classify this as beginner friendly and easy throw and go type slay. I love it. This is absolutely Tiffany Baby approved. Do you guys like it? Make sure you guys let me know down below in the comments if you do. Make sure that you share this video with a friend. This wig was $15, you guys. I'm all about the affordable slays. You guys know how I love to save some coins. So always slay on a budget. Always do it big. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you for spending some time with Tiffany Baby. If you're not already subscribed, hit that button before you go. We are in the final push to 1,000. We are closing in fast. I appreciate all of your love and support. So thanks for watching. Make sure to catch me next time, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye, loves.